Meaning of fanatic.
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 Fanatic. Fanatic refers to a person who has an excessive and irrational enthusiasm or zeal for a particular belief, cause, or activity. This type of person is often uncompromising in their beliefs, sometimes to the point of being extremist. They may be considered obsessive, closed-minded, and intolerant of alternate views. Fanatics can become so consumed by their beliefs that they may harm themselves or others in pursuit of their goals. Overall, fanatic describes a person who is excessively and unreasonably devoted to a particular cause or belief.